Welcome back to Charged Up with Tesla Dan. Today we're diving deep into the innovative world of Tesla's new service history feature. This game-changing addition is not just about tracking maintenance, it's about enhancing the ownership experience. Imagine having a complete record of everything done to your vehicle right at your fingertips. In our digital age, transparency and accessibility have never been more critical. This feature will empower users, giving them a sense of control over their vehicle's health. It's a prime example of how Tesla continues to push boundaries, not only in electric vehicles, but also in overall customer experience. We'll also touch on the importance of data management in the automotive industry and how it can lead to a more informed consumer base. Can you imagine a future where your car communicates its needs directly to you? The implications are vast and thought-provoking. So buckle up as we explore the intersection of technology and driving. This podcast was co-produced by Daniel Aharonoff and Mogul Media AI, produced by Daniel Aharonoff.